We're gonna flip our surprise pet. We're making pancakes, got our directions. So far we pulled the pin that was there. Let's go ahead and pull those bottom pins out. Okay, next step, now that we've pulled the pins, we are going to make the batter. It says to put it in a circular shape on top of it right here. Can you pop that on? Okay, and then make a circular shape with it. Pat it down with your spatula, maybe. So we're gonna lift it, shake it side to side. Hear that pancake sizzle. Okay, now we're gonna hold the button down and quickly flip the pan upwards. So go up with it. What is that?
Ooh.
Now we're, oh my goodness.
Ooh, it smells good. I love it. I want to eat it. Time for dinner.
What else can you do with your pet? You gotta remove it by twisting it. What kind of sounds does it make?
It's laughing. Yeah, it smells good.